location for this shelter, and I hear people arguing that it's not isolated enough, it's not far away enough away from other things, but then I also hear the argument that it's not accessible enough. There's not sidewalks, and there's not, it's not a place already that has pedestrian traffic, and they're arguing from both sides that it's not accessible enough, and it's also not isolated enough. And I'm just concerned that these arguments will continue to come and will never provide these services because they're arguing both ways. You can't have something that's super accessible and something that's isolated. But I'm also concerned about the argument of not wanting this center anywhere near a residential neighborhood. I don't think we should fear people who do not have homes. I have many friends, men and women that I deeply care about, who are homeless right now, and I think that Gainesville needs more services and shelters to help these people that I care about and that I love. And I don't think that we should let fear of these people prevent us from providing those services. Thank you.
Thank you, Ms.